Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. In this video, we will be talking about a stock where the promoters along with SBI Mutual Fund, Nomura India Investment Reliance Mutual Fund, Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund and Sundaram Mutual Fund have all bought stake yesterday. Now, global investor Redwood Investment and Aurea Holdings sold 8% and 0.99% in the company respectively. The transactions happened at an average price of Rs 638. Now friends, this is a fundamentally very sound stock and we need to go ahead and monitor this going forward. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is AU Small Finance Bank Limited, which is available at Rs 693.70. The face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is AUBANK. Now AU Small Finance Bank Limited, formerly AU Financiers India Limited, is an India-based small finance bank company. The company provides wholesale banking, personal banking, insurance and retail loan products and services. Now, AU Small Finance Bank had a stellar debut on the bourses last year with a listing gain of close to 47%. Since then, the stock has risen close to 22%, putting it in the modest performer category. If one tracks the last 5 quarters of its existence as a bank and its execution so far, the performance leaves no room for disappointment. Key pillars of the bank, which are strong asset growth with adequate diversification, control over delinquency, building a stable deposit base and numerous tie-ups to ensure healthy fee traction, have all been falling into place. The Indian banking system is undergoing a tectonic shift with a significant growth opportunity arising from the near demise of a large number of state-run banks. Smaller entities with the right strategy and execution will therefore see a clear road ahead. Founded by a first-generation entrepreneur with a successful track record, AU has the right ingredients to succeed in the current milieu. The recent capital infusion by Temasek reinforces this confidence. While the stock looks optically expensive, investors should focus on the strong earnings growth trajectory. Now, if you were to look at the one-year chart, you would see that the company was on an uptrend for the first few months of the year, but since then has been choppy. The market cap of the company is 20,119.66 crores, which means that the company is available at a market capitalization which is a borderline one between a mid cap and a large cap. The company is available at a debt to equity of 3.3486, which is expected since it's an NBFC company, whereas the return on equity is 0.1368. The company did not pay out any dividends and the promoter holding is a bit on the lower side at 32.22%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Also a disclaimer here, we hold this in our current portfolio at IPO prices. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. Have a great day ahead.